नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो. आत्ताच 3 तारखेला 12वीचा जो पेपर झालेला आहे त्याचं पूर्ण सोल्युशन मी तुम्हाला अतिशय सोप्या भाषेत आणि त्याचं अनालिसिस देखील तुम्हाला या व्हिडिओमध्ये सांगणार आहे. या पेपरमध्ये जर आपण विचार केला तर जवळजवळ 70 मार्क्सचे प्रश्न जे असे होते की ते पुस्तकातले सर्व सॉल्व्ड एक्झाम्पल्स होते, M1 आणि M2 मधली, आणि ईच अँड एव्हरी क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम दी टेक्स्ट बुक. म्हणून तुम्हाला अतिशय म्हणजे छान पेपर हा गेलेला असेल. निश्चितच सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना चांगले मार्क्स मिळाले असेल. बोर्डाने चांगला पेपर या ठिकाणी सेट केलेला होता, म्हणजे विद्यार्थ्यांना तो जास्त अवघड नको गेला पाहिजे. ओके, आता मेन म्हणजे काय की सॉर्ट एक्झाम्पल्सला देखील फार महत्व दिलं गेलेलं आहे. बरेचदा मुलं सॉर्ट एक्झाम्पल बघत नाही, परंतु सॉर्ट एक्झाम्पल सर्व जर तुम्ही पूर्णपणे पेपर काउंट केला तर तुम्हाला 70 मार्क्सचे प्रश्न विथ ऑप्शन कन्सिडर करतो मी. ओके, चला तर सुरू करूया आपण पेपर सोल्युशन. ओके, नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट दी क्वेश्चन पेपर सोल्युशन. I will explain all the examples from this question paper in a very simple language. Section A. Okay. Select and write the correct answer for the following multiple choice type question. If P and Q is F, P implies Q is F, then the truth value of P and Q is. It's clear that P and Q कसा आहे तर तो F आहे आणि P implies Q हा देखील F आहे. It means that T implies F. P आणि Q कसे तर F आहे, म्हणून त्याचा आन्सर किती येणार? P काय असला पाहिजे तर T असला पाहिजे आणि Q काय असला पाहिजे तर तो F असला पाहिजे. हे देखील पुस्तकातच एक्झाम्पल मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन जसा तो घेतला गेलेला आहे. ओके, पुन्हा मी इथे एक्सप्लेन करतो. P and Q is F म्हणजे दोन्ही डिफरंट आहेत. ओके, डेफिनेटली P implies Q is F means what? T implies F. डेफिनेटली P हा T आहे, Q हा F आहे. ओके, ऑप्शन B इज द करेक्ट वन. नेक्स्ट, पुस्तकातला मी इथे तुम्हाला दाखवतोय क्वेश्चन हा एक्सरसाइज मध्ये घेतलेला. ओके, जसा तसा हा क्वेश्चन घेतलेला आहे. नाव द नेक्स्ट. In triangle ABC, if C square plus A square minus B square is equals to AC, then find angle B. Okay, and that is equals to pi by 2. That is, we know that cos of B is equals to, I will write here, cos of B is equals to C square plus A square minus B square upon 2 AC. But what is the value of, त्याने इथे व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आपल्याला C square plus A square minus B square ची व्हॅल्यू. Its value is AC upon 2A and is equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore, cos of B is equals to 1 upon 2. The angle must be, this is the pi by 3. Option B हा करेक्ट आहे या ठिकाणी. हा देखील पुस्तकातला जसा तसा प्रश्न आहे. नेक्स्ट, the area of the triangle with the vertices 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2 and 0, 3, 1 in square unities. Okay, and this is the answer is a root 6. त्याचा आन्सर बघा तुम्ही. पुस्तकातलं जसं जसं सॉर्ट एक्झाम्पल इथे घेतलेलं आहे. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल विथ द वर्टायसेस 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 3, 1. ओके, हे वर्टायसेस आहे. फाइंड ए बी बार, that is a B minus A find out करणार तो. AC bar means what? C minus A. Okay, and the area of the triangle ABC is equals to 1 upon 2 in mod of AB bar cross AC bar. With the determinant, we will find out the value AB bar cross AC bar minus 4I cap minus 2J cap minus 2K cap. Okay, Therefore AB bar cross AC bar upon 2. याचा मॉड फाइंड आउट करणार in root of -4 square plus -2 square plus -2 square. Overall you will get root of 24 मिळणार तुम्हाला. तो स्प्लिट अप करणार 6 into 4. 4 चा स्क्वेअर रूट किती आला तर 2 root 6 upon 2. root 6 square unit the area of the triangle. Okay. As it is solved question जसा आलेला आहे. Next. If the corner points of the feasible solution are 0, 1, 0, 2, 2 and 4, 0, then the point of minimum z is equals to 3x plus 2y is. फक्त इथे व्हॅल्यू टाकायच्या तुम्हाला. x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 10. इथे z is equals to 20 मिळेल. त्याला मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू पाहिजे. x is equals to 2, that is a 6, and here y is equals to 2, 2 into 2, 4, 10, and this is the minimum value. Next, if we substitute here, z is equals to 3x plus 2y, where x is 4, 4 into 3, 12, 2 into 0, 0. Oh, you'll get the 12 value. But where is the minimum? At which point the value is a minimum? At the point 2 and 2. Therefore, the option A is correct here. Okay. हा देखील प्रश्न जसा पुस्तकातला घेतलेला आहे. ओके. मल्टिपल चॉईस म्हणजे पुस्तकातले सर्व मल्टिपल चॉईस हे देखील फार इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. नेक्स्ट. If y is a function of x and log of x plus y is equals to 2xy, then the value of y dash of 0. Okay. The options are 2, B is 0, C is -1, D is 1. The option is the correct one. And how it is? We will find out it. Normal differentiation करायचे आणि after differentiation substitute that x is equals to 0. Simultaneously आपल्याला y ची पण व्हॅल्यू त्या ठिकाणी फाइंड आउट करायचे. Now see this is solution. Okay. हा देखील पुस्तकातला जसा प्रश्न घेतलेला आहे. The function, this is a log of x plus y is equals to 2xy. Differentiate this with respect to x. Log of xy चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती तर 1 upon x plus y into in bracket. This is the composite function आहे तो. Derivative of x is 1, y is dy by dx is equals to इथे product rule apply करणार. Okay. That is a 2x as it is. The derivative of y is dy by dx plus 2y as it is. Derivative of x is 1. That is a 2y into 1. त्यानंतर dy by dx च्या टर्म्स कलेक्ट करणार. हा dy by dx इकडे जाऊ देणार. 1 upon x plus y into 1 plus 1 upon x plus y into dy by dx. हा इकडे गेल्यानंतर दोघांना dy by dx कॉमन घेणार. ओके. Then in bracket you will get 1 upon x plus y minus 2x. Bracket complete into dy by dx is equals to हा इथला 2y आणि 1 upon x plus y ने 1 ला मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर हे टर्म आपण या बाजूला आणणार. That will become minus. Okay. And therefore dy by dx. इथे simplification कसं करणार? That is a 2y in bracket 1 in bracket x plus y minus 1 upon x plus y. इथे देखील simplification कसं? 1 minus 2x in bracket x plus y, denominator x plus y. इथे denominator x plus y, both get cancelled. And then simplification, you will get dy by dx is equals to 2y into x plus y minus 1 upon 1 minus 2x in bracket x plus y. This is the dy by dx. But find the value of y dash of 0. Okay. म्हणजे x ची व्हॅल्यू इथे 0 टाकणार, पण सायमल्टनली वी रिक्वायर्ड ऑल्सो y ची देखील आपल्याला तिथे व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजे. देन वी विल सबस्टिट्यूट हियर x is equals to the 0 आपण इथे टाकला. Then what you will get? Log of y is equals to 0. Log of y is equals to 0 means what? Y is equals to e raised to 0. तो लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन आपण एक्सपोनेन्शियल मध्ये कन्वर्ट करणार. And therefore you will get y is equals to 1. Okay. If substitute x is equals to 0 आपण इथे सबस्टिट्यूट केला, then what you will get? Log of y, here is a log of y. इथे x 0 टाकला तर हे प्रॉडक्ट किती मिळेल तुम्हाला? तर 0 मिळेल. It means that log of y is equals to 0 and that is nothing but log of 1. Log get cancelled. You will get value of y is 1. Value of y is 1, x is 0. Now substitute here. या expression मध्ये सर्व व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. What is that? X is 0 and Y is 1. Okay. Then what you will get? 2 into 1 in bracket 0 plus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 2 x is 0. म्हणजे overall हा काय होणार डिनोमिनेटर? तर तो 0 होणार. Okay. 2 minus 1 you will get 1. डिनोमिनेटरला किती मिळणार? 1. Therefore y dash of 0 is 1. And hence option C is the correct one here. Okay. या आधीचा क्वेश्चन असेल तर त्यानुसार त्याचं ते ऑप्शन मिळेल. तरी देखील आपण प्रिव्हियसली स्लाइड बघू. ओके. ओके नेक्स्ट. बी हा ऑप्शन इथे कसा होता तर तो करेक्ट होता. ओके. देखील तोच ऑप्शन घेतलेला आहे. नाव द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इंटिग्रल cos क्यूब x dx. इथे फक्त तुम्हाला नॉर्मल तो cos क्यूब x चा फॉर्म्युला इथे माहिती पाहिजे. That is the cos cube x is equals to 1 by 4 in bracket cos of 3x plus 3 cos x. Okay. Normally the integration काढायचे. Cos of 3x इंटिग्रल किती? तर sin of 3x upon 3 means what? Sin of 3x upon 12. Sin of 3x upon 12 सगळीकडे आहे. ओके. इथे पुन्हा प्लस साइन आहे. म्हणजे प्लस साइन आपल्याला कुठे कुठे? तर प्लस साइन या दोघांमध्येच आहे. या दोघांपैकीच आन्सर असणार आहे. देन व्हॉट विल बी द आन्सर? द आन्सर इज 3 by 4 sin x. याचं इंटिग्रेट घेतलं cos of x तर ते sin of x मिळणार. दॅट इज अ 3 by 4 sin of x प्लस c. therefore the option A is a correct one. हे देखील एक्झाम्पल तसं टेक्स्टबुक मधलं आहे. ओके. म्हणजे सॉल्ड एक्झाम्पल आहे ते ॲज इट इज. सॉल्ड एक्झाम्पल हे तुम्हाला मल्टिपल चॉईस म्हणून ते टर्न केलेलं आहे. इथे तुम्ही हे आन्सर इथे बघू शकताय. नाव द नेक्स्ट. The solution of the differential equation dx upon dt is equals to x log of x upon t is. Very nice differential equation आहे. Option A is the correct आहे ते. x is equals to e raised to ct. व्हेरिएबल सेपरेट करणार आणि इंटिग्रल करणार. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड मध्ये मी पूर्ण सॉल्व करून दाखवलंय. dx upon dt is equals to x log of x upon t. व्हेरिएबल सेपरेट करणार. dx आता इथे x into log of x इथे ठेवणार is equals to dt upon t. इथे तुम्ही सबस्टिट्यूशन मेथड अप्लाय करतो आपण इथे. व्हॉट इज हियर? log of x साठी इफ वी कन्सिडर ॲज अ y, then what is the derivative of log of x? Suppose that y is equals to log of x, then 1 upon x, okay, into dx is equals to dy तयार होणार होतो. आणि याचे इंटिग्रल इज नथिंग बट दी log of log x. ओके. याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती आहे? तर log of x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, there is a derivative of log of x is 1 upon x, and therefore its integral is nothing but the log form. Therefore log of log x is equals to integral of dt upon t is nothing but the log of t. मग अशा वेळेस कॉन्स्टंट देखील आपण त्या लॉगच्याच फॉर्म मध्ये घेत असतो. द प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ these two is nothing but the log of t into c, and here the log of log x is equals to log of tc. दोन्ही साइडचे लॉग लॉग आपण इथे कट करणार और टेक कॅन्टिलॉग ऑन बोथ साइड्स. देन यू विल गेट log of x is equals to ct. Express this in terms of the exponential. Therefore here e is equals to x is equals to e raised to ct. हा लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन आपण एक्सपोनेन्शियल मध्ये कन्वर्ट करणार. Therefore x is equals to e raised to ct. This normal simple substitution method अप्लाय केलाय. log of x is equals to इथे ऑलरेडी t घेतलेला आहे. आपण जनरली t कन्सिडर करत असतो. ओके. नाउ यू सबस्टिट्यूट अनदर व्हेरिएबल, देन यू विल गेट इंटिग्रल ऑफ दिस विथ log x. हा नॉर्मल आहे. ओके. कॉन्स्टंट देखील तसंच घेणं अँड इन दिस वे यू विल गेट द सोल्यूशन ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लेम. नेक्स्ट. Let the probability mass function, that is a PMF of a random variable x, be P of capital X is equals to small x is equals to 4cx 5 by 9 raised to x into 4 by 9 raised to 4 minus x. The value of x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then E of x is equals to. Okay. These are the values of E of x. Now the results for option A is a correct one. हा देखील पुस्तकातला सॉल्ड एक्झाम्पल या ठिकाणी घेतलेला आहे. लेट द पीएमएफ of a random variable x be p of capital X is equals to small x 4cx in bracket 5 by 9 raised to x into 4 by 9 bracket raised to 4 minus x value of x as it is a find the expected value of x and the variance असा तो प्रश्न आहे. फक्त आता इथे आपल्याला फक्त expected value find out करायचं आहे. p of capital X is equals to small x is the polynomial distribution with n is equals to 4. Okay. p is equals to ही p ची व्हॅल्यू असते, ही q ची व्हॅल्यू असते. एक्सपेक्टेड व्हॅल्यू इज व्हेरी सिंपल. e of x is equals to n into p. नॉर्मल मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार and you will get the answer 20 by 9. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. हा देखील इम्पॉर्टंट क्वेश्चन असतो. याला ऑप्शनल असतात. 4 मार्क्सचा क्वेश्चन असतो तो. ओके. राईट द जॉइंट इक्वेशन ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट ऍक्सिस. व्हेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. ओके. या टाइपचं मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन आहे टेक्स्ट बुक मध्ये. The combined equation of the coordinate axis or the joint equation. What is the equation of the x-axis? Equation of x-axis is y is equals to 0. Okay. And equation of y-axis is x is equals to 0. म्हणजे आपल्याला coordinate axis कसे आले ते? These are the equations of the axis and they are joint equation. X into y is equals to 0. This is the answer. Okay. And therefore the option C इथे करेक्ट आहे तो. परंतु आपल्याला एक्झाम मध्ये कसं लिहिणार? इक्वेशन ऑफ दी वाय ऍक्सिस इज एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू 0. इक्वेशन ऑफ एक्स ऍक्सिस इज वाय इज इक्वल्स टू 0 अँड दे आर जॉइंट इक्वेशन मीन्स ऑफ एक्स इंटू वाय इज इक्वल्स टू 0. इथे लिहिताना तुम्ही सगळं डिटेल मध्ये लिहिणार. इक्वेशन ऑफ वाय ऍक्सिस इज एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू 0. इक्वेशन ऑफ एक्स ऍक्सिस इज वाय इज इक्वल्स टू 0 अँड दे आर जॉइंट इक्वेशन मीन्स ऑफ एक्स इंटू वाय इज इक्वल्स टू 0. दिस इज दी joint equation of coordinate axis. Okay. फक्त मला हे दाखवायचं होतं की हा मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन एमसीक्यू हा तुम्हाला 1 मार्क्स साठी कसा विचारला गेलेला आहे. नेक्स्ट. फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ c with satisfy mod of c into u bar is equals to 3 where u bar is equals to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. This is 1 marks question. Okay. हा देखील पुस्तकातला सॉर्ट एक्झाम्पल जसं तसं त्याने घेतलेलं आहे. ओके. डिटरमाइन दी व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द सी दॅट सॅटिस्फाईज मॉड ऑफ सी इंटू यू बार इज इक्वल्स टू 3. यू बार इज इक्वल्स टू आय कॅप प्लस 2j कॅप प्लस 3k कॅप. मॉड ऑफ सी यू बार इज इक्वल्स टू इन रूट ऑफ या सी ने प्रत्येकाला मल्टिप्लाइड करणार. ओके. दॅट इज अ सी स्क्वेअर. याचा स्क्वेअर जर केला तर 4c स्क्वेअर. याचा स्क्वेअर इंटू c स्क्वेअर. And overall you will get 9c square. Take the root of c. नुसता c जरी बाहेर ठेवला असता आणि रूट मध्ये आपण 1 स्क्वेअर प्लस 2 स्क्वेअर प्लस 3 स्क्वेअर जरी केलं असतं तर चाललं असतं. Here is again mod of c in root of 14. Okay. The value we have given the value mod of c into u bar is equals to 3. Okay. And therefore here जर आपण इथला mod sign जर काढला then there will be the plus or minus. Therefore, the c in root of 14 is equals to plus or minus 3. Therefore, c is equals to plus or minus 3 upon root of 14. And this is the answer. Okay. This is a example from the textbook. Okay. Next question. Right. Integral of cot of x dx. So that's easy question. Okay. By method of the substitution. Cot means what? Cos upon sine. Okay. And derivative of sine of x is cos of x and hence integral of cot of x into dx is equals to log of sine x by the method of substitution. या साइनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह तर काय? तर cos आहे. Okay. And therefore integral ddx of sine x upon sine x into dx is equals to log of sine x plus c. Here we apply the formula. That is, what is the formula? The formula is f dash of x upon f of x into dx is equals to log of mod of f of x plus c by using this formula. Okay. Next. Write the degree of the differential equation e raised to dy by dx plus dy by dx is equals to x, and here हा देखील पुस्तकातला ऍज इट इज क्वेश्चन घेतलेला आहे. इट्स ऑर्डर इज 1. ओके, dy by dx त्याची ऑर्डर किती 1, बट दी equation cannot be expressed as a polynomial differential equation, therefore the degree is not defined. Okay, this is the answer. Now the next 1 mark चे सगळे क्वेश्चन संपलेले तिथे. Now we'll start the section B. Okay, attempt any 8 of the following questions. First, write inverse contrapositive of the following statement. If x is less than y, then x square is less than y square. Okay, हा देखील पुस्तकातला क्वेश्चन घेतलेला आहे. ओके, पुस्तकात असा क्वेश्चन दिला आपल्याला. Write the converse, inverse and the contrapositive of the following statement. If x is less than y, then x square is less than y square, where x, y belongs to set of real number. Okay, now see this is the answer. Let P, x is less than y, Q means what? X square is less than y square. Then the symbolic form कसं होणार त्याचा? That's the P implies Q. And what about the converse? Converse म्हणजे काय? The Q implies P. This is the converse of P implies Q. मग कसा आपल्या स्टेटमेंटचा converse कसा तयार करणार? That is Q implies P. Okay, this is the converse. Therefore, if x square is less than y square, then x is less than y. Okay, Q implies P. But what is the Q here? Q is a x square is less than y square. Therefore, if x square is less than y square, then x is less than y. हा आपल्याला कॉन्व्हर्स त्याचा मिळालेला. इनव्हर्स, निगेशन टू गिव्हन स्टेटमेंट. गिव्हन स्टेटमेंटला निगेशन अप्लाय करायचे ते. दॅट इज द निगेशन ऑफ पी इम्प्लाइज निगेशन ऑफ क्यू. दिस इज द इनव्हर्स ऑफ द गिव्हन स्टेटमेंट पी इम्प्लाइज क्यू. कॉन्व्हर्स मीन्स व्हॉट? पी इम्प्लाइज क्यू. त्याचा कॉन्व्हर्स आहे क्यू इम्प्लाइज पी. इनव्हर्स मीन्स व्हॉट? निगेशन. याला गिव्हन स्टेटमेंटला निगेशन द्यायचं आपल्याला. ओके, दॅट इज द निगेशन ऑफ P implies negation of Q. Now, what is the negation of P? P इथे दिलेला आहे. Now, the negation of x is less than y. That's a negation काय येणार? X is greater than or equal to y. Okay. याचा negation काय येणार? X square is greater than or equal to y square. Okay. हे काय आले तर त्याचे negation आले. And therefore, the inverse of the given statement is if x is greater than or equal to y, then x square greater than or equal to y square. Or you can write also here, if x is not less than y, then x square is also not less than y square. And lastly, the contrapositive. Contrapositive means what? Negation of the converse. Converse la negation apply करायचे. That is the negation of P implies negation of Q. Is the contrapositive of P implies Q. Means what? That is the x square is greater than y square. If x is greater than y square, then x is greater than or equal to y square. If x square is greater than or equal to y square, then x is greater than or equal to y. So आपण या प्रकारे तुम्हाला दिली आहे. If x square is not less than y square, then x is not less than y. Okay. या सर्व स्टेटमेंट या ठिकाणी मी घेतलेले आहे. Next question, that is a question number 4. If matrix A is x 0 0 0 y 0 0 0 z is non-singular matrix, then find A inverse by elementary row transformation. And using this, write the inverse of 2 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 minus 1. It's for the MAHARASHTRA 2. Okay. आता याचा इनवर्स फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. नाउ फर्स्ट वी फाइंड आउट दी टेक्स्ट बुक मधला क्वेश्चन आहे तो. ओके, एक्सरसाइज मध्ये दिलेला क्वेश्चन आहे. इज अ नॉन सिंग्युलर मॅट्रिक्स, देन फाइंड द इनवर्स बाय द रो ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन and find the inverse of this. Now let's find the inverse of this matrix first. Okay, inverse find out करणार. Since A is a non-singular matrix, A inverse exists. आपण असं लिहितो A into inverse is equals to I. हा A इथे झाला x 0 0 0 y 0 0 0 z ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट आपल्या matrix is complete into A inverse is equals to identity matrix. हे घेतलेलं आहे. काय ऑपरेशन? ऑपरेशन इज व्हेरी इझी. x ला काय करत असतो आपण 1, y is 1 and z is 1. Therefore by the operation 1 upon x into r1 first, 1 upon y into r2, 1 upon z into r3, then you will get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 A inverse. Simultaneously on the right hand side 1 upon x 0 0 0 1 upon y 0 0 0 1 upon z. Okay. Now the next. Therefore A inverse is 1 upon x 0 0 0 1 upon y 0 0 0 1 upon z. And using this what will be the inverse? याचा inverse काय असेल? Inverse याचा 1 upon 2 0 0 0 याचा inverse that is again 1 0 0 0 minus 1. This is the inverse. See this here. The inverse of the. Now the next. Find the Cartesian coordinate of the point whose polar coordinates are root 2. Here the r is equals to root 2 and theta is equals to pi by 4. Then x is equals to r cos theta, y is equals to r sin theta. And here, get here. हा देखील exercise 3.2 मधला question as it is विचारला गेलेला आहे. Okay. Here, the answer is it is here. Here r is equals to root 2, theta is equals to pi by 4. The Cartesian coordinate x and y. X is equals to r cos theta, r is root 2 cos of pi by 4. The value of cos of pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 get cancelled, you will get x is equals to 1. Y is equals to r sin theta. This is the root 2 sin of pi by 4. Okay. Again sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Puna root 2 they cut on y is 1. And therefore the Cartesian coordinate of the given point are 1 1. Okay. Easy question. Question number 6. If ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0 represents a pair of lines and hs square is equals to ab, that is not equals to 0, then find the ratio of their slopes. Okay. आता यामध्ये काय की hs square is equals to ab means what? hs square minus ab is equals to 0. It means that these two lines are coincident ची condition इथे घेतलेली आहे. Okay, या टाइपचा इथे मल्टिपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये घेतलेला आहे. If hs square is equals to ab, then the slopes of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0 are in the ratio as 1:1 and also. Okay, means lines are coincident. Lines, when the lines are coincident, their slopes are equal and their ratio is 1:1. Okay, या ठिकाणी काय की तुम्ही if hs square is equals to ab, then the lines are coincident and therefore the slopes of the lines are equal असं लिहू शकताय. Otherwise you can write ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0, then the slope of this line is m1 is equals to minus h minus in root of h square minus ab upon b, m2 is equals to minus h plus in root of h square minus ab upon b. या दोघांच्या इथल्या व्हॅल्यू 0 आल्यात. m1 is minus h upon b, m2 is a minus h upon b. Okay, and hence the lines are coincident. Next question. If a bar, b bar, c bar are the position vectors of the points a, b, c respectively, 5a bar plus 3b bar minus 8c bar is equals to 0, then find the ratio in which the point c divides the line segment AB. तर तिथे फक्त 2 घेतलेला आहे, या दोघांचा साइन मायनस घेतलेला आहे. ओके, तो एक्सटर्नल डिव्हिजन आहे, हा इंटरनल डिव्हिजन करणार आहे. तो आन्सर कसं लक्षात येतं बघा. C divides the AB means 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, this is the answer. If A bar, B bar, C bar are the position vectors of the points A, B, C respectively, 5A bar plus 3B bar minus 8C bar is equals to 0. Then find the ratio in which C divides the line segment BA. This is the solution. As 5A bar plus 3B bar minus 8C bar is equals to 0. हा 8C आपण एका साइडला ठेवणार. Okay. And therefore 5A bar plus 3 B bar, and therefore C bar is equals to 5A bar plus 3B bar upon 8, and this 8 can be written as 5 plus 3, and therefore this shows that the point C divides BA internally in the ratio 5:3. पुस्तकात एक्सटर्नली घेतलेला आहे तो. ओके, आणि त्या टाईपचं तसं ते इथे आन्सर आहे ते 2 घेतलेलं आहे आणि यातला साइन चेंज आहे त्यामध्ये. नाव नेक्स्ट, solve the following equations graphically and write the corner point of the feasible region. 2x plus 3y less than or equals to 6, x plus y greater than or equal to 2, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than equal to 0. Okay, now see this here. Textbook matlab question hai. Now find out the solution. First we draw the line AB and the CB, whose equations is 2x plus 3y is equals to 6 and x plus y is equals to 3 respectively. Okay, now see this here. The equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. When it touches the x-axis, to touch hona to y is equals to 0. 2x is equals to 6. Therefore, x is equals to 3. A is 3, 0. The point on the y-axis, x is equals to 0 होणार इथे. 3y is equals to 6. Therefore, y is equals to 2. And therefore, the point on the y-axis is 0, 2. What about the sign? It's a origin side. ही कशी तर origin side आहे. ते कसं ओळखणार? Substitute x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0, and x it is a correct. 0 is less than or equals to 6, and therefore the sign is the origin side. Okay. Next equation, x plus y greater than 2. Now, when this line touches the x-axis, y is equals to 0. Therefore, the point is C to 0. And when it touches the y-axis, now the y-axis na touch hona, then x is equals to 0. The point is 0, 2, and that is nothing but the B. And that's why the point B is repeated here. What about their region? The region kasa, if we substitute x 0, y 0, then 0 is a greater than or equal to 2. This is not possible. Therefore, this is the non-origin side of the CB. तुम्ही ग्राफ इथे बघू शकताय. Next slide मध्ये ग्राफ बघा तुम्ही ते. Again, I am repeating here. Okay, this is the first line AB and the next is a BC. पहिल्या लाईनच्या AB च्या बाबतीत काय आहे तर ओरिजिन साइडला येणार आहे तुमचा हे. This is the region to the origin side. हा origin side ला तुमचा सर्व region येणार आहे. For the first line and for the second line, it is a non-origin side. म्हणजे तो वरच्या बाजूला इथे जाणार आहे. या बाजूला. आणि दोघांचा तो feasible region काय तयार होणार आहे? The feasible region is a A, B, C. Okay. The feasible solution of is the triangle ABC, which is shaded in this graph. या प्रकारे मी स्केल वगैरे तुम्ही देऊ शकता इथे. परीक्षेत ग्राफ दिला जाईल की नाही दिला जाईल, but you can draw this type of graph. Next, show that the function f of x is equals to x cube plus 10x plus 7. X belongs to set of real number is strictly increasing. Textbook मतलब solved question है तो solved example है. Show that the function f of x is equals to x cube plus 10x plus 7 for x belongs to set of real number is strictly increasing. Now this is a function. Differentiate this. Strictly increasing means what? F dash of x is greater than 0. Okay. Now differentiate this. X cube चा derivative किती आला तर 3x square. 10x चा derivative 10. Derivative of 7 is constant. Its derivative 0. Therefore, f dash of x is equals to 3x square plus 10. आता या ठिकाणी काय? It's a clear that whatever the value of x, f dash of x is greater than 0. How it is greater than? That is a 3x square हा positive आहे. Plus 10 आहे त्यामध्ये. And 10 is always positive. It's a greater than 0. Here 3x square is greater than or equal to 0 for I belongs to set of real number and 10 is positive. 10 is greater than 0 and hence 3x square plus 10 is greater than 0. It implies that f dash of x is greater than 0 and thus f is a strictly increasing function. Textbook मतलब solved example घेतलेले. Now the next. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 in root of 1 minus cos of 4x to dx. Okay. Here solved example है. Very nice question. Here let I is equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 in root of 1 minus cos of 4x into dx. Very famous formula. That is 1 minus cos of a is equals to 2 sin square a by 2. Okay. 1 minus cos of 4x means what? 2 sin square 2x. Okay. 4x upon 2 म्हणजे 2x मिळेल. Okay. हा आपण √2 बाहेर घेणार. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin of 2x into dx. What's the integral of sin of 2x? Is a cos of minus cos of 2x upon 2. Then substitute upper limit minus lower limit करणार त्या ठिकाणी आपण. Okay. Here is a √2 upon हा 2 इथे आणलेला आपला. First we substitute the upper limit, that is a pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2. Okay. This 2 will get cancelled. Then the lower limit, which is the cos of 0. हा 2 इथे कट होणार. You will get cos of pi minus cos of 0. But what about the cos of pi is minus 1, cos 0 is 1. Minus 1 and minus 1, that minus 2. Okay, and this sign will get minus will become plus, and hence you will get the answer of the integral 0 to pi by 2 in root of 1 minus cos of 4x into dx is equals to √2 with a minus sign. Okay. Therefore, the answer is √2. It is the minus sign I am repeating here. Now the next example. Question number 11. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equals to 4x, the x-axis, and the line x is equals to 1, x is equals to 4, for y is greater than or equals to 0. Very nice question. Textbook मतलब solved example है. That is, area is equals to integral 1 to 4 y dx. The value of y is a root of 4x. 4 चं root किती आला तर 2. 2 a root x. That is a 2. Again, integral 1 to 4 x raised to 1 upon 2. Substitute. Okay, and the integral find out करना. Integral of x raised to 1 upon 2 is a x raised to 3 by 2. Okay, 2 by 3 into x raised to 3 by 2. Upper limit is 4, lower limit is a 1. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit काय substitute करणार? That is a 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 raised to 3 by 2 means what? 1. Okay. And 4 raised to 3 by 2. 4 raised to 3 by 2 means what you will get here? 4 by 3. Okay. And 4 raised to 3 by 2 means what? 4 raised to 2 and bracket raised to 3 by 2. 2 will get cancelled and you will get 2 raised to 3 means what? 8 minus 1. And 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 into 4, 28. 28 upon 3. And therefore, the area is a 28 upon 3 square unit. इथे तुम्ही figure पण बघू शकता. CBCR figure of parabola x is equals to 1 to 4. Okay, we are taking this figure. 4 raised to 3 by 2 means what? 4 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2, bracket raised to 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled, you will get 2 raised to 3 means what? 8 minus 1. Now the next. Solve the differential equation cos x into cos y into dy minus sin x into sin y into dx is equals to 0. Variable separable method इथे apply करणार. इथे dy आहे. Cos of y पाहिजे मला. Cos x इथे नको पाहिजे. इथे काय नको पाहिजे? तर इथे sin y नको पाहिजे. Then divide on both sides by cos x into sin y. Then you will get here the variable separable. Okay. Therefore, cos x into cos y into dy minus sin x into sin y into dx is equals to 0. Okay. Therefore, by dividing cos x into sin y on both sides, then you will get cos of y म्हणजे cos x into sin y ने divide करायचं या एक्सप्रेशनला. Then here you will get cos of y upon sin y into dy minus sin x upon cos x into dx is equals to 0. Cos y upon sin y, you will get cot of y into dy minus integral. Here is a tan x into dx. After integrating, this C1 generate होत असतो, constant of integration. What's the integral of cot of y? Is a log of sin y, and integral of tan x is a log of sec x. Okay. Yeah. Constant देखील आपण त्याच फ्रेम मध्ये इथे घेत असतो. That is nothing but the log of c, and hence we write here c1 is equals to log of c. हे मायनस मायनस नंतर कसं होणार तर ते प्लस होणार. ओके, मी इंटिग्रल ऑफ tan of x is log of sec x म्हणालो. यू कॅन राईट हियर मायनस log of cos x असं देखील तुम्ही ते लिहू शकताय. ओके, and therefore the log of sin y plus log of cos x is equals to log c. Whole log addition means what? Multiplication. Log get cancel on both sides. Then you will get sin y into cos x is equals to c. This is the general solution. Okay. Next. Question number 13. Find the mean of the number randomly selected from 1 to 15. Okay. हा देखील solved question आहे. Textbook मधला. Find the mean and the variance of the number randomly selected 1 to 15. Okay. Now here the sample space x is equals to 1 to up to the 15. X denotes the number selected. Then x is a random variable which can take all these values 1 to 15. Each number selected is equiprobable, and therefore P of 1 is equals to probability of 2 is equals to probability up to the probability of 15 is equals to 1 by 15. And we want to find out here mean. That is, mu is equals to E of x, where I is equals to 1 to n xi into pi. Normal multiplication करणार आहोत इथे आपण 1 into 1 upon 15, 2 into 1 upon 15, and in this way. Overall, take 1 upon 15 as a common. In bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, and here normal addition है. n into n plus 1 म्हणजे काय? n is a 15, n plus 1 is a 16 upon 2. असं आपल्याला डायरेक्ट करता येतो तो अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन असेल तर. ओके, n into n plus 1 upon 2 हा फॉर्म्युला इथे अप्लाय करणार into 1 upon 15, and again if you simplify you will get that is equals to 8. हा 15 कट होणार, 16 upon 2 you will get 8, and 8 is the answer here. Therefore the mean of the numbers randomly selected from 1 to 15 is 8. Now the next. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equals to x square and line y is equals to 4. Okay, see this is the parabola. Okay, it is a symmetrical about the y-axis, and y is equals to 4. या region मधला आपल्याला area find out करायचा. Easy question. The required area is equals to 2 into area of OPQO. Okay, and this is it. हा सगळा एरिया या ठिकाणी तो टेक करणार. I can write here O. This is the P Q O. 2 times म्हणजे त्या क्वाड्रंट मधला तो एरिया आपण इथे फाइंड आउट करणार, because here y is negative, and therefore a is equals to 0 to 4 x into dy. Okay, dy आपण variable consider, y variable consider करणार. What is x is equals to? Y is equals to x square. Therefore x is equals to root of y. Okay, therefore 2 times 0 to 4 in root of, here is a 2 again, that is a 2 integral 0 to 4 root of y into dy. The integral of root of y is a y raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. It means 2 by 3 होणार आहे. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 4. Okay, and substitute the value. Y is equals to here 4. y is equals to 4 आपण सबस्टिट्यूट केला. 4 means what? 2 raised to 2. Okay. हे किती झालं? 4 by 3. 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3. Then you will get here 8. Okay. हे simplify easy तुम्ही करू शकता. Here 2 into 2 4. 4 by 3. 4 by 3. And here y is 4 and bracket raised to 3 by 2. And that is 4 by 3 into 4 means what? 2 raised to 2 and bracket raised to 3 by 2. These 2 get cancelled. You will get 4 by 3 into 2 raised to 3 means what? 8. Okay. Therefore 4 by 3 into 8. Then you will get area that is equals to 32 by 3 square unit. And this is the answer. Next question. Section C. Attempt any 8 of the following questions. Find the general solution of sin theta plus sin of 3 theta plus sin of 5 theta is equals to 0. हा देखील solved question तसा टेक्स्ट बुक मधला आलेला आहे. Now we have here sin theta plus sin of 3 theta plus sin of 5 theta is equals to 0. हे दोन consider first of all करणार आपण sin theta plus sin of 5 theta plus sin of 3 theta is equals to 0. Now apply here sin of c plus d. That's a 2 times sin of c plus d upon 2. म्हणजे theta plus 5 theta किती आला तर 6 theta upon 2 means what? Sin of 3 theta. And what about here? Cos of c minus d means what? Theta minus 5 theta upon 2 means minus 4 theta upon 2 means what? Cos of minus 2 times theta. Cos absorb the negative sign and hence you will get here cos of 2 times theta plus sin of 3 times theta is equals to 0. Take sin of 3 times theta as a common. Then in bracket you will get 2 cos of 2 theta plus 1 into sin of 3 theta is equals to 0. It implies that हे 0 आहे म्हणजे काय? की sin of 3 theta is equals to 0 or 2 cos theta plus 1 is equals to 0. म्हणजेच काय? 2 cos theta is equals to minus 1 and hence cos of 2 times theta is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Now sin of 3 theta is equals to 0. म्हणजे काय असेल ते? It's a value that is a 3 theta is equals to n pi and cos of 2 theta is equals to what about here? Minus 1 upon 3 theta. But minus 1 upon 2 is the value of cos of 2 pi by 3. Okay. And here, hence here, cos of theta is equals to cos alpha या फॉर्म्युल्यानुसार. That is a 2 theta is equals to 2n pi plus or minus 2 pi by 3. Okay. And hence where n belongs to z. And therefore here theta is equals to, what will be the value of the theta? Theta is equals to n pi by 3 or हा 2 पुन्हा इथे मल्टिप्लाइड आहे या साइडला डिवाइड होणार तो or you can cancel here 2 from the both sides and therefore you will get theta is equals to n pi plus or minus pi by 3 where n belongs to z. Therefore the what is general solution? Theta is equals to n pi by 3 or theta is equals to n pi plus or minus pi by 3. काय करणार इथे फॉर्म्युला अप्लाय करणार cos theta plus sin of 5 theta and then take sin of 3 theta as a common and then you will get the result. Now the next question. If x lies between minus 1 and the plus 1 equal to minus 1 equal to plus 1, then prove that sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equals to pi by 2. हा देखील टेक्स्टबुक मधलं तसंच एक्झाम्पल घेतलेलं सॉल्व एक्झाम्पल. Let sin inverse of x is equals to theta where x belongs to closed interval minus 1 to plus 1 and theta belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. And also therefore minus theta is also lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Next, pi by 2 minus theta belongs to 0 to pi. This is the principal domain of cosine function. And therefore cos of pi by 2 minus theta means what? Sin theta. Okay. But what is a sin theta? Sin theta is nothing but the x. Okay. As sin inverse of x is equals to theta, then x is equals to sin theta. And therefore we substitute here sin theta as x. And therefore here cos inverse of x is equals to pi by 2 minus theta. Okay. आणि पुन्हा हेच एक्सप्रेशन आपल्याला कसं लिहिते हा मायनस थिटा आपण या बाजूला आणला therefore theta plus cos inverse of x is equals to pi by 2. But what about here theta? Theta is nothing but the sin inverse of x and hence sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equals to pi by 2. Okay. सुरुवात कशी केली आपण sin inverse of x is equals to theta. X belongs to closed interval -1 to +1 and theta belongs to the closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 and also theta minus theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus theta belongs to 0 to pi is the principal domain of cosine function and then we will get here as a straightforward by the solve केलेला आहे. Okay. टेक्स्टबुक मधलं सॉल्व हे प्रूफ या ठिकाणी ते घेतलेलं आहे. Next question. If theta is the acute angle between the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus dy square is equals to 0, then prove that tan theta is equals to 2 in root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. सगळ्यात फेमस हा प्रूफ आहे. प्रत्येकदा बऱ्याच एक्झाम मध्ये 100% विचारला गेलेला क्वेश्चन आहे तो. Now here the x-axis, y-axis, there are the two lines which passes through the origin. Y is equals to m1x and y is equals to m2x. The angle between them is theta. Okay. And here, let the m1 and m2 be the slopes of the line represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus dy square is equals to 0. That's auxiliary equation कसं तयार करता येईल? Divide on both sides by, okay, here x square, या equation ला x square ने divide करना. Then you will get here a 2hxy upon x square, x get cancelled, y upon x means what? M. Therefore here you are getting 2hm. आणि इथे काय तर x square ने डिवाइड केल्यानंतर b into y square upon x square means what? Y upon x bracket square means what? Bm square. Therefore auxiliary equation is the bm square plus 2hm plus a is equals to 0. And from this we'll find out the sum of the roots m1 plus m2 minus 2h upon b. Okay. And m1 into m2 products of the roots c upon a means what? A upon b इथे तयार होणार. आता tan theta means what? Tan theta is equals to in mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. आपल्याला m1 minus m2 ची व्हॅल्यू पाहिजे असते. Therefore this algebraic expression is important असते. m1 minus m2 bracket square is equals to m1 plus m2 bracket square minus 4 times m1 into m2. Substitute the value of m1 plus m2 ची ते value substitute करणार 2h upon b bracket square minus 4. What is the value of m1 into m2? m1 into m2 ची value a upon b हे simplify करणार. काय करणार इथे 2h upon b bracket square means what? 4h square upon b square minus 4a upon b. याचा डिनोमिनेटर दोघांचा सेम करणार. therefore we will multiply here numerator and denominator या टर्मला b ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार. then you will get 4ab upon b square. दोघांचे डिनोमिनेटर कसे मिळाले ते सेम मिळाले. 4h square minus ab upon b square. Take 4 as a common. Then in bracket you will get h square minus ab upon b square. Okay. This is a m1 minus m2 bracket square. Okay. If we take the square root on both sides, m1 minus m2 bracket square म्हणजे काय? 4 in bracket h square minus ab upon b square. If we take the square root, what is the square root of 4? Is 2. आणि इथे किती येणार? root of h square minus ab upon b square चं square root किती आलं तर b आलं. Therefore you will get m1 minus m2 is equals to plus or minus 2 in root of h square minus ab upon b. If the theta is the acute angle between these two lines, then the tan theta, a basic formula, that is a mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. Substitute the value of m1 minus m2 in mod of plus or minus 2 in root of h square minus ab upon b upon 1 plus a upon b. Simplify करणार ते. That is a plus b upon b. bb get cancelled. Then you will get 2 in root of h square minus ab upon a plus b, and this is tan theta which we want to prove. Okay, म्हणून हे थेरी बिट सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, ते प्रिपेअर करू शकता. ज्यांचा पेपर झाला ते व्हेरीफाय करतील, आणि जे 11वीत आहेत ते 12वीत जात असतील त्यांना हा निश्चित क्वेश्चन हा महत्वाचा तो थेरी बिट आहे. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Find the direction ratios of a vector perpendicular to the lines whose direction ratios are -2, 1, -1, -3, -4, 1. Okay. Now this is the, let A bar B bar be the vectors along the lines whose direction ratios are -2, 1, -1, -3, -4, 1 respectively. Okay. A bar B bar be the vectors and त्याचे direction ratios काय तर हे आहेत. Therefore, A bar is equals to -2 I cap plus C cap minus K cap, and B bar is equals to -3 I cap minus 4 J cap plus K cap. The vector perpendicular to both A bar and the B bar is given by this formula. What is that? A bar cross B bar is equals to I cap, J cap, K cap. And then हे दोन्ही vectors इथे लिहिणार, -2, 1, -1, -3, -4, 1. Solve करणार ते, and therefore you will get A bar cross B bar is equals to minus, normal simplification, -3 I cap plus 5 J cap plus 11 K cap. And hence the required direction ratios are -3, 5 and 11. Is the question okay? Find the shortest distance between the line, straightforward problem method. X -1 upon 2, y -2 upon 3, z -3 upon 4, and x -2 upon 3, y -4 upon 4, z -5 upon 5. This is the formula. The vector equation of the lines are r bar is equals to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, yes, lambda upon 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. What about the second line? Second line च्या बाबतीत r bar is equals to 2I cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap plus mu in bracket 3I cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap. जर असं असेल, that is r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b1 bar and r bar is equals to a2 plus lambda b2 bar, then what's the shortest distance between is equals to, that is a mod of in bracket a2 bar minus a1 bar dot in bracket b1 bar cross b2 bar upon the mod of b1 bar cross b2 bar. Now we'll find out the value of b1 bar cross b2 bar. Okay, ijk इथे b1 आणि b2 आपण सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Evaluate this, then you will get minus I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. हे तुम्ही सॉल्व करू शकता. Okay, this is the b1 cross b2. Okay. Next आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे? We'll find out the a2 minus a1. हा a1 झालाय, हा a2 minus a1. That is a 2I cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap minus in bracket I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, and therefore a2 bar minus a1 bar is equals to I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Mod of b1 bar cross b2 bar is equals to in root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, and overall you will get a root of 6. And hence आता यांचा product आपण हे कॅल्क्युलेट केलेले आहे. a2 बार मायनस a1 बार आपल्याला माहिती आहे. b1 बार क्रॉस b2 बार हा देखील आपल्याला माहिती आहे, तो इथे आलेला आहे. दिस इज दी I cap, 2j cap plus 2k cap. And what about the b1 bar cross b2 bar? Is a minus I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. And त्या दोघांचा डॉट प्रॉडक्ट means what? I dot I. I dot I, you will get -1. J dot J, that is a 4 plus 4. And what about the last? -2. Okay. And overall, you will get here 1. Therefore, in bracket A2 bar minus A1 bar dot B1 bar cross B2 bar, that is equals to 1. Dot product is simple. इथे -1 आलेला आहे. नंतर 4 आणि -2. Overall, -1, 4, -2. You will get here 1. Okay. And therefore, the required shortest distance या सर्व व्हॅल्यूज इथे सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. What about the a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar? Its value is 1. And what about the mod of b1 bar cross b2 bar is root 6. And overall you will get 1 upon root 6 unit. This is the shortest distance between these two lines. हा फॉर्म्युला मात्र तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचा. या टाइपची 5-6 एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही सॉल्व केली तर डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट इट. Now the next question. Lines r bar is equals to in bracket I cap plus j cap minus k cap plus lambda in bracket 2 I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap and r bar second line 4 I cap plus minus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap plus mu in bracket I cap minus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap are coplanar. Find the equation of the plane determined by them. They are coplanar. आणि यापासून तयार होणारं प्लेनचं इक्वेशन आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं. ओके, नाव हियर these are the lines are coplanar if and only a2 bar minus a1 bar dot in bracket b1 bar cross b2 bar and that's equals to 0. Okay, now here is a a1 I cap plus j cap minus k cap. A2 is a 4 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap. Okay, and the next b1 means what? 2 I cap plus minus 2 j cap plus k cap, and b2 is another one I cap minus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. What is the a2 bar minus a1 bar? The minus करून तुम्हाला you will get here 3 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 3 k cap and they are dot, and after simplification then you will get here 0, and therefore the lines are coplanar and already आपल्याला ते दिलेले. Now we'll find out the equation of the plane. What is that? Now b1 bar cross b2 bar cross product इथे तयार करणार. This is the cross product. The equation of the plane determined by these two lines is, that is a r bar minus a1 bar dot in bracket b1 bar cross b2 bar is equals to 0. Okay. Now the simplification. काय simplification? या r bar ने ते dot product घेणार. याच्याशी ते dot product घेणार, or you can write it like this. That is r bar dot. What is the b1 bar cross b2 bar? Minus 2 I cap minus 3 j cap minus 2 k cap. A1 bar. What is the A1 bar? A1 bar is equals to I cap plus j cap minus k cap dot. And the next is okay. पुढचा काय? तर b1 bar cross b2 bar. तोच वेक्टर इथे काय केला आपण तो रिपीट केलेला आहे. Okay, therefore r bar into minus 2 I cap minus 3 j cap minus 2 k cap, and find out the dot product of these two vectors. Overall इथे काय मिळणार तुम्हाला? That is a minus 2. First is, here is a minus 2. Next is a minus 3. And the last is a plus 2. Okay. Minus, find out here, that is the first is a minus 2, minus 3. First काय पाहिजे आपल्याला इथे? Minus 2 पाहिजे. I will write here minus 2, minus 3 and plus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled here, and you will get here minus 3. Okay, and therefore r bar dot in bracket 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap, minus minus will become plus, and hence this is the equation of the plane determined by these two lines. Okay. Next, if y is equals to in root of tan x plus in root of tan x plus in root of tan x plus dash dash up to infinity, then show that dy by dx is equals to sec square x upon 2y minus 1. Also find dy by dx at x is equals to 0. Okay. Now the question देखील textbook मध्ये solved example येते. Y is equals to in root of tan x plus in root of tan x plus in root of tan x up to dash dash infinity, squaring on both sides. Then y square is equals to tan x plus in root of tan x plus in root of tan x means what? इथे पुन्हा आपल्याला तीच सिरीज इथे रिपीट होत आहे. दॅट इज अ y स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल्स टू tan x प्लस y. डिफरन्शिएट दिस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. y स्क्वेअर चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती आहे ना 2y. ddx ऑफ tan x इज sec square x. y चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह dy by dx. And here you will get here 2y into dy by dx. हा dy by dx कुठे तर तो राइट हँड साइडला आहे, आपण तो लेफ्टला आणणार. tan चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह is sec square. Take the dy by dx as a common. And hence you will get dy by dx is equals to sec square x upon 2y minus 1. पुढे काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आपल्याला? फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ दिस when x is equals to 0. आता x is equals to 0. If we substitute x is equals to 0, what about y पण आपल्याला इथे लागणार आहे. Okay, if we substitute x is equals to 0, then all will become 0. When x is equals to here 0, then y is also 0. If we substitute here. Okay, therefore dy by dx at x is equals to 0. Therefore dy by dx at x is equals to 0. What about the sec square 0? Sec 0 is 1. Okay. And as y is 0, 2 into 0, you will get here 0, minus 1. And overall, you will get here minus 1. पुन्हा इथे value of the y काय मिळणार आपल्याला इथे equal to 0. X is 0 and the y is 0. If we substitute x0, sec 0 is 1, y is 0, minus 1, overall minus 1, and hence dy by dx is equals to minus 1. This is the answer. Next, find the approximate value of sine of 30 degree and 30 minutes. Okay, these are the given quantities. 1 degree is equals to 0.0175 radian and cos of 30 degree is equals to 0.866. Okay, this is question. Solve example from the textbook. F of x is equals to sin x. Differentiate with respect to x, you will get f dash of x is equals to cos x. Okay, now the 30 degree and 30 minutes is equals to 30 degree plus 30 minutes. That is nothing but 1 upon 2 degree. And this is the 1 degree means what? 0.1750 upon 2. Therefore, 30 degree and 30 minutes is equals to 30 means what? Pi by 6 plus 0.00875. Here a is equals to, आता इथे a ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली तर pi by 6 and this is the h. म्हणून प्रत्येकदा आपल्याला a आणि h कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा असतो. a is very easy. Pi by 6. h means what? h is equals to 0.00875. Here x is equals to a is equals to pi by 6. Then from this one, what is f of a? F of a is equals to f of pi by 6 means what? Sine of pi by 6 is equals to 1 upon 2, and that is approximately equal to 0.5. Okay. या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये आपल्याला सगळ्या व्हॅल्यूज सबस्टिट्यूट करायच्या असतात. x is equals to a, that is equals to pi by 6, and therefore from the second, f dash of a. f dash of a is equals to f dash of pi by 6. Cos of pi by 6 ची व्हॅल्यू त्याने आपल्याला दिली. That is a 0.866. Okay. This is the formula. f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. याच्या व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला सर्व काढायचे असतात. f of a किती आला तर 0.5. f dash of a किती आला तर 0.866. Now the next, what about the h? h ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे 0.00875. Okay, इथे आपण त्या व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करतो. f of pi by 6 means what? 0.5. Next, h ची व्हॅल्यू किती 0.00875 and f dash of pi by 6, that is 0.866. Multiplication करणार, and that is approximately equal to 0.5 plus a multiplication plus 0.075775. And if we add it, then you will get the value of sine of 30 degree and 30 minutes is approximately equal to 0.57575. This is the answer. या ठिकाणी काय लक्षात ठेवायचं? This formula is very important. What is the formula? f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. आणि त्यानुसार त्या सर्व व्हॅल्यूज फाइंड आउट करणार. फर्स्ट वी फाइंड आउट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ f of a, h f dash of a, and substitute answer. Now the next, evaluate integral x into tan inverse of x. Okay. Normal integration by parts करणार ते. First we will apply here the liet, which will be the first function. इथे दोन फंक्शन्स आहेत, एक अल्जेब्रिक आहे आणि दुसरा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आहे. लिएट, केस ऑफ दी लिएट, अल्जेब्रिक इन्व्हर्स पाहिजे आपल्याला फर्स्ट फंक्शन, देन दी अल्जेब्रिक. इन्व्हर्स फंक्शन कोणता आहे तर तो टॅन इन्व्हर्स आहे. अल्जेब्रिक एक्स. व्हॉट अबाउट दी बाय पार्ट्स? बाय पार्ट्स मध्ये काय असतं? फर्स्ट फंक्शन इंटू इंटिग्रल ऑफ दी सेकंड इंटू dx मायनस इंटिग्रल derivative of the first into integral of the second bracket complete into dx. Integration by parts ची डेफिनेशन काय? फर्स्ट फंक्शन आपण इथे सिलेक्ट केले. फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज अ tan inverse of x. फर्स्ट फंक्शन into integral of the second minus integral derivative of the first function into integral of the second function bracket complete into dx. Now the integral of tan inverse of x as it is. Integral of x is x square upon 2 minus integral derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Integral of x is x square by 2 dx. 1 upon 2 इथे कॉमन घेतो आपण. 1 upon 2 x square into tan inverse of x minus 1 upon 2 x square integral x square upon 1 plus x square dx. आता इथे न्यूमरेटर हा डिनोमिनेटर सारखा ऍडजस्ट करणार. मीन्स व्हॉट? वी राईट हियर x square कसा लिहिणार? 1 plus x square. 1 जास्तीचा घेतला तो रिटर्न करणार -1. दॅट इज 1 upon 2 इंटिग्रल 1 plus x square minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. ओके. नंतर हे स्प्लिट अप करणार. मीन्स व्हॉट? 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square you will get 1 here. Minus 1 upon 1 plus x square means what? 1 upon 1 plus x square. ओके. हे इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. काय करतो आपण सुरुवातीला? 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square you will get 1. Minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now the next 1 upon x square. Tan inverse of x is as it is. Minus 1 upon 2. Integral of 1 is x आला. Integral of 1 upon 1 plus x square tan inverse of x plus c, and this is the answer. Okay. Therefore, integral of x into tan inverse of x dx is equals to 1 upon 2 x square tan inverse of x minus 1 upon 2 x plus 1 upon 2 tan inverse of x plus c. This is the answer. Next question. Find the particular solution of the differential equation. dy by dx is equals to e raised to 2y into cos x square. X is equals to pi by 6 and y is equals to 0. आता गेली टेक्स्टबुक मधलं शॉर्ट एक्झाम्पल इथे. dy by dx is equals to e raised to 2y cos x. व्हेरिएबल सेपरेट करणार. ओके. हा dx इकडे मल्टिप्लाइड आलेला आणि हा e raised to 2y आपण dy इकडे नेणार. That is the dy upon e raised to 2y is equals to cos x into dx. Therefore, e raised to 2y numerator जाणार. It will become minus. E raised to minus 2y into dy is equals to cos x into dx. Integrating on both sides. That integral of e raised to minus 2y into dy is equals to integral of cos x into dx. What about the integral of e raised to minus 2y? Is e raised to minus 2y upon coefficient of this y, which is the minus 2. Or you can write the ddx of minus 2y. Derivative of minus 2y is the minus 2. Integral of cos x is sin x plus c. आता पर्टिक्युलर पाहिजे आपल्याला सोल्युशन. दॅट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ c पण पाहिजे. Here we have given the x is equals to pi by 6 and y is equals to 0. आता x is equals to pi by 6 इथे आपण सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. Means what? Sin of pi by 6. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2 and y is 0 here. Means what? E raised to 0 is 1. That is minus 1 upon 2 आणि इकडे किती? तर तो 1 upon 2. Therefore c is equals to minus 1. You will get here. See this here. E raised to 0 upon minus 2 sin of pi by 6 plus 6, and overall you will get c is equals to minus 1. Okay. If you substitute here in equation 1, then you will get e raised to minus 2y upon minus 2 is equals to sin x minus 1. Multiply on both sides by simplify करना normal. Then you will get minus e raised to minus 2y is equals to 2 sin x minus 2. या सर्व टर्म्स या साइडला आणणार and take e raised to 2y. Okay. Or you can keep here as it is. You can multiply e raised to minus 2, e raised to plus 2y on both sides, and then you will get e raised to 2y in bracket 2 sin x minus 2, आणि इथे हा मायनस 1 काय होणार, तर या साईडला आल्यानंतर प्लस होणार, और हा प्लस करणार 1 अपॉन e raised to 2y मायनस 1 अपॉन e raised to 2y, तो इकडे गेल्यानंतर याला मल्टिप्लाइड होणार, देन यू विल गेट e raised to 2y 2 sin x minus 2, आणि हा मायनस 1 इकडे आल्यानंतर तो कसा होणार, प्लस होणार, and hence this is the required particular solution. Okay. Now the next. For the following probability density function of a random variable capital X, find first A, P of capital X is less than 1, and B, P of mod of capital X is less than 1. F of X is equals to function. What type of the function is? X plus 2 upon 18. The value of X lies between minus 2 and plus 4, or the equal to 0 otherwise. Okay. Now first, P of capital X less than 1, it means that the integral is minus 2 to 1 only. Okay. त्याने x आपल्याला कसं सांगितलंय, x is less than 1 means what, the value of x is minus 2 to 1 only. Integral of x plus 2 upon 18, 1 upon 18 इथे बाहेर घेणार. Integral of x is x square upon 2. Integral of 2 is 2x minus 2 2 plus 1. Upper limit minus lower limit करणार. 1 upon 18, 1 upon 2 plus 2. Okay. Minus in bracket, x is replaced by minus 2 इथे. Minus 2 bracket square upon 2 plus 2 into minus 2. And 1 upon 18 in bracket 5 by 2 plus 2. Okay. And what about here? This हा किती येणार, तर तो minus 4 minus 2 bracket square upon again 2. If you simplify here, you will get minus 2 इथे मिळणार आपल्याला. Minus 2 square means what, 4 by 2. Okay. म्हणजेच 2 मिळणार. Here plus 2 minus 4 minus 2. This minus and minus that will become plus. And overall, you will get here plus 2. 1 upon 2 plus 2. 2 into 2, 4 होणार. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2 plus 2. पुन्हा simplify करणार. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 by 2 into 1 upon 18. And overall, you will get here 9 1 7, 9 2 18. That is 1 by 4. Therefore, probability of x is less than 1 is 1 by 4. Now, what about the next? The probability of mod of x is less than 1. Mod of x is less than 1 means what? If we remove this mod sign, upon the mod sign the remove केलं, it means that x is lies between minus 1 and the plus 1. And therefore, the integral minus 1 to plus 1 of x plus 2 upon 18. 1 upon 18, integral of x is x square by 2. Integral of 2 is 2x. Minus 1 to plus 1, 1 upon 18. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit, 1 by 2 plus 2. Minus in bracket 1 upon 2 minus 2. And after simplification, 5 by 2. And हा किती येणार, तर minus 3 by 2. Minus minus that will become plus. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 by 2. 4 मिळाला. That is 1 upon 18 into 4. And therefore, you will get here 2 by 9. And therefore, probability of mod of x less than 1 is 2 by 9. This is the answer. Okay. Now the next question. A die is thrown 6 times. If getting an odd number is a success, find the probability of at least 5 success. 5 times आपल्याला कमीत कमी success मिळाली पाहिजे. Now the solution. Let capital X is equals to number of success. That's the number of odd numbers. मिळायला पाहिजे आपल्याला. P, the probability of getting an odd number in a single throw of a die. Odd numbers किती असतात? S is equals to किती 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. मग 3 odd numbers. Total किती असतात? तर 6 असतात. Therefore, the value of P is a 3 by 6. That is equals to 1 upon 2. So P is 1 upon 2, then Q is also 1 minus P. That is 1 by 2. Given experiment, N is equals to 6. X follows the binomial distribution. N is equals to 6 and P is 1 upon 2. At least 5 success पाहिजेत आपल्याला. The PMF of X is given as P of capital X is equals to small x NCx P raised to X Q raised to N minus X. P of X is equals to 6Cx 1 upon 2 bracket raised to X 1 upon 2 bracket raised to 6 minus X. N ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? तर ती 6 आहे. P is 1 upon 2, Q is 1 upon 2. At least 5 success पाहिजे. That is a P of 5. That is P of capital X is greater than or equal to 5. मग किती असणार ते? 5, 6 or 6, 6. That is nothing but the P of 5 plus P of 6. And therefore, a 1 upon 2 bracket raised to X and 1 upon 2 bracket raised to 6 minus X. Overall काय मिळेल तुम्हाला? हे सॉल्व केल्यानंतर 1 upon 2 bracket raised to 6. ओके. फक्त कसली व्हॅल्यू मिळेल तर व्हॅल्यू चेंज होणार तर त्या X ची. Therefore, 6C5 1 upon 2 bracket raised to 6. 6C6 1 upon 2 bracket raised to 6. And after simplification, 1 upon 2 bracket raised to 6 common घेणार. In bracket 6C5 plus 6C6. Overall, you will get a 6 plus 1, 7. 7 into 1 by 64. You will get 7 by 64. And hence the probability of at least 5 success is 7 by 64. Okay. Now the next question. Section D. Okay. Attempt any 5 of the following questions. The first, simplify the given circuit by writing its a logical expression and also write your conclusion. Circuit दिलं त्याने आपल्याला S1, S1 dash, S2 dash, they are in parallel, and again S2 in series. P, the switch S1, Q, the switch S2. The logical expression of the given circuit is पहिला बघा S1 means what it is in series, and हे दोन्ही कसे आहेत parallel आहेत. They are in bracket negation of P or negation of Q. Complete झाल्यानंतर पुन्हा series मध्ये S2 आहे म्हणजे Q आहे. This is the logical expression of the given circuit. What about the next? Consider. तर आपण solve करणार. That's the P and in bracket negation of P or negation of Q and Q. This is the given expression. Next here, associative law इथे apply करणार. P and in bracket negation of P or negation of Q and Q. Okay. And after this, okay, distributive law apply करणार. Small change करणार या ठिकाणी. Okay. The distributive law means what? This and is distributed over the or. Means what? P and negation Q or P and negation Q. Instead of here or, इथे काय पाहिजे? And पाहिजे. Here and. P and negation Q, bracket complete, and Q. Now what about here? P and negation P. त्याचा आन्सर किती येणार? P ची कुठली व्हॅल्यू घ्या? T घ्या or F घ्या. Overall, you will get here F or P and negation Q and Q. Now the value of P. This is the identity law. हे कोणावरती डिपेंड असणार आहे तर या ब्रॅकेटवर डिपेंड असणार आहे. P and negation Q and Q is the identity law. And the next associative law इथे अप्लाय करणार. P and in bracket negation of Q and Q. Okay. आता पुन्हा next you can take here the value of PQ as a T or F. You are finding the and overall by the complement law you will get here F. आता P and F. Okay, whatever the value of P, but here is F. Conjunction is there, and overall you will get here F. Okay, finally तुम्हाला तिथे किती मिळेल तर F मिळेल. आणि म्हणून या प्रकारच्या स्विचेसचे जर अरेंजमेंट तुम्ही केले एखाद्या सर्किट मध्ये, what your conclusion? The lamp will not glow irrespective of the status of the switches. या टाइपचे switches असतील, then lamp will not glow. का की फायनली तुम्हाला F मिळतो. ओके. टेक्स्टबुक मधलं सॉल्व एक्झाम्पल आहे. Next question. Question number 20. If A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and then verify, this is a very famous question. A into adjoint of A into A, determinant of A into I. Okay, मी यापूर्वीच्या माझ्या लेक्चरमध्ये देखील सॉल्व केलेले ते क्वेश्चन्स. Okay, here for A is 1, 2, 3, 4. You can find out their cofactor, and therefore the adjoint of A is equals to A11, A21, A12, A22. Okay, 4 minus 2 minus 3, 1. A into adjoint of A, the product of these two matrices. Okay, you can perform this 1, 2 into 4 into minus 3. 4 ala minus 6, overall minus 2. You can find out 1 into minus 2 and 1. Overall you will get here 0. Puna 3 into 4, 12 plus 12 minus 12, that will be 0. And minus last element minus 6 and plus 4 minus 2. Yeah, next, adjoint of A into A find out करणार. Overall you are getting minus 2, 0, 0 minus 2. A into adjoint of A, जे मिळालं तेच adjoint of A into मिळतं. Determinant of A into I. What is the determinant of A? Is a minus 2 into I. Overall you are getting minus 2, 0, 0 minus 2. And hence, we have proved it. A into adjoint of A into adjoint of A into determinant of A into I. This is the answer. Now the next question. Okay, easy question it all. Prove that the volume of tetrahedron with coterminous edges A bar, B bar, C bar is 1 by 6 in box product A bar, B bar, C bar, and hence find the volume of the tetrahedron whose coterminous edges are. Okay, these are the A bar I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, B bar minus I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap, and C bar 2i cap plus j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, now the first, as it is theory problem, theory explain केले textbook मध्ये theory दिलेला आहे. The volume of tetrahedron with coterminous edges A bar, B bar, C bar is 1 by 6 in box A bar, B bar, C bar. This is the figure. These are the coterminous edges OA bar, OB bar, OC bar. Okay. OA bar, let OA bar is equals to A bar, OB bar is equals to B bar, OC bar is equals to C bar, be the coterminous edges of the tetrahedron O, A, B, C. O, A, B, C. Okay. Let AP be the height of the tetrahedron. This is a perpendicular. Yeah, plane वरती आपण draw केलेलं. The volume of the tetrahedron is nothing but 1 by 3. Area of the base, yeah, base area into this height AP. Okay. But AP, that is equals to the scalar projection of AP is nothing but the scalar projection of this OA bar on B bar cross C bar, and that is nothing but B bar in bracket B bar cross C bar dot A bar upon mod of B bar cross C bar. Scalar projections चा formula apply केला आहे. That the projection of vector P bar on Q bar is written as P bar dot Q bar upon Q. Okay. ज्याचं प्रोजेक्शन ज्याच्यावरती टाकलेलं असतं मीन्स व्हॉट, इथे प्रोजेक्शन कोणावरती घेतलंय बी बार क्रॉस सी बार, त्या दोघांचा डॉट प्रॉडक्ट अपॉन ज्याच्यावर प्रोजेक्शन घेतलेलं आहे त्याचं मॅग्निट्यूड. इथे बी बार ऑन क्यू बार म्हणून क्यू बार इज डिवायडेड बाय त्याचं इथे मॅग्निट्यूड आपण इथे घेतोय. एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल ए बी ओ बी सी, एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल ओ बी सी इज इक्वल्स टू 1/2 बी बार क्रॉस सी. And therefore the volume of the tetrahedron 1 by 3. Okay. Area of the triangle 1/2 b bar cross c bar mod of into height. Okay. The height is a in bracket b bar cross c bar dot a bar upon mod of b bar cross c bar, and these two get cancelled again. That is the a bar dot in bracket b bar cross c bar. Overall you are getting 1 by 6 of the box product A bar, B bar, C bar, and this is the answer. This is the volume of tetrahedron. Now the next substitute question आपल्याला त्याने दिलेला. Find the volume of the tetrahedron whose coterminous edges are A bar, I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, B bar minus I cap plus j cap plus, इथे क्लिअर दिसत नाही, I will write here minus, okay, minus I cap plus j cap and plus 2k cap, and the last is 2I cap plus j cap plus 4k cap. Let A bar, B bar, C bar be the coterminous edges of the tetrahedron. A bar, B bar, C bar. हा देखील क्वेश्चन पॅरेललोपिपेड मध्ये घेतलेला आहे. ओके, आपल्याला इथे टेट्राहेड्रॉन कन्सिडर करणार आहोत. A bar, B bar, C bar, box product find out करणार. You are getting here the 9, and therefore the volume of the tetrahedron 1 by 6, the box product A bar, B bar, C bar 1 by 6 into 9, and that is volume of the tetrahedron is 3 by 2 cubic millimeter. Next question. Find the length of the perpendicular drawn from the point P 3, 2, 1 to the line. R bar 7I cap plus 7j cap plus 6k cap plus lambda in bracket 2I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay. Solve question है textbook मतलब find the length of the perpendicular from the point 3 to 1 and to this line. Okay. काय formula त्यासाठी? That is the length of the perpendicular is the same as the distance of P from the given line. The distance of P alpha bar, okay, from the line R bar in is equals to A bar plus lambda B bar is in root of, in mod of alpha bar minus A bar bracket square minus in bracket square bracket alpha bar minus A bar bracket complete dot B bar upon magnitude of B bar bracket square. या सर्व quantities आपल्याला इथे find out करायचे. Now, one by one. Okay. First, alpha is 3I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. Next, A. What is A? 7I cap plus 7j cap plus 6k cap. B. Minus 2I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. What is A bar minus alpha bar minus A bar? 3I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap minus 7I cap plus 7j cap plus 6k cap minus करणार minus 4I cap minus 5j cap minus 5k cap. That's a magnitude in root of minus 4 square plus minus 5 square plus minus 5 square. And overall you are getting in root of 16 plus 25 plus 25. You will get root of 66. Next, in bracket A bar alpha bar minus A bar bracket complete dot B bar. या दोघांचा डॉट प्रॉडक्ट इथे फाइंड आउट करणार. -4 into -2 you will get 8. -5 into +2 -10. -5 into 3 you will get here -15. overall -17. नेक्स्ट आपल्याला काय लागणार आहे? तर मॉड ऑफ बी बार. व्हॉट अबाउट द बी बार किती आहे? तर -2I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. overall you will get mod of b bar is equals to in root of -2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, you will get a root of 17. And therefore, the required length is equals to in root of mod of alpha bar minus A bar bracket square minus alpha bar minus A bar dot B bar upon mod of B bar bracket square. या value substitute करना. Then here is a that's a square means what you will get 66 minus -17 upon root of 17 whole square. Okay. म्हणजे काय ते root of 17 येणार overall -17 upon root of 17 you will get minus root of 17 त्याचा square किती येणार तर 17. In root of 66 minus 17 you will get 49 and the root of 49 is 7 unit. Okay, and this is the length of the perpendicular from the point P3 to 1 to the line R bar is equals to 7I cap plus 7j cap plus 6k cap plus lambda in bracket minus 2I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, and this is the answer. Okay, now the next question. Question number 31. If y is equals to cos of m cos inverse of x, then show that in bracket 1 minus x square into d2y by dx square minus x into dy by dx प्लस my square is equals to 0. टेक्स्टबुक मधला सॉल्व क्वेश्चन घेतलेला या ठिकाणी. Given that y is equals to cos of m cos inverse of x. Therefore, a cos इकडे येणार. Cos inverse of y is equals to m cos inverse of x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. The derivative of cos inverse of y is a minus 1 upon in root of 1 minus y square into dy by dx. So derivative of cos inverse of x is a minus 1 upon in root of 1 minus x square and higher. Okay. Next simplification करणार. In root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx. हे टर्म इकडे येणार आणि हे टर्म या साइडला जाणार. That is equals to m in root of 1 minus y square squaring on both sides. याचा स्क्वेअर किती आला तर 1 minus x square dy by dx square m square in bracket 1 minus y square. Okay. Next पुन्हा आपल्याला त्याचं डिफरन्शिएट करणार आहे with respect to x. Differentiate this with respect to x. इथे product rule apply करणार. First keep 1 minus x square as it is. Then find out the derivative of dy by dx. त्याचा ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर येतो. मग त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती येणार? That's the 2 times dy by dx into ddx of dy by dx. Okay. Next, dy by dx bracket square as it is. Then find out the derivative of 1 minus x square. Means or ddx of 1 minus x square. What about the right hand side? M square as it is. Find out the ddx of 1 minus y square. The derivative of 1 is 0. Y square is minus 2y into dy by dx. And overall, you will get here 2 in bracket 1 minus x square into dy by dx. dy by dx चा derivative किती? तर d2y by dx square minus 2x into dy by dx bracket square minus 2m square y into dy by dx. Throughout, we can cancel 2 into dy by dx on both sides. Okay, 2 into dy by dx. इथे cancel केला आपण. इथे cut केला. And overall, you are getting 1 minus x square into d2y by dx square minus x into dy by dx. इथे काय राहिलं? x 2 and dy by dx 1 cut झाला इथे dy by dx minus m square y and overall 1 minus x square into d2y by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus m square y and that's equals to 0. And this we have proved it. Okay, sure. Let's do another solid example. Now the next question. Verify Lagrange mean value theorem for the function f of x is equals to in root of x plus 4 on the interval, closed interval 0 to 5. Now first, what is the Lagrange means value theorem? If a real valued function f is continuous on a closed interval ab and differentiable on open interval ab, then there exists at least one c in the open interval ab such that f dash of c is equals to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. Okay. By using this formula, given that f of x is equals to in root of x plus 4, the function f of x is continuous on the closed interval 0 to 5 and differentiable on the open interval 0 to 5, so that by the Lagrange mean value theorem is applicable here. Okay. And differentiate this with respect to x. F dash of x is equals to, what is the derivative of root of x? 1 upon 2 root of x. Similarly here, root of x plus 4 is a 1 upon 2 root of x plus 4. A is equals to 0, b is 5. Substitute the value of f of a, means what? F of 0. Root of 0 plus 4, you will get here 2. F of b, f of 5, root of 5 plus 4. You will get root of 9. म्हणजे किती आलं तर 3 आलं. दोन्ही व्हॅल्यूज मिळाल्या आपल्याला. F of a, f of b मिळालं. Okay. Now substitute here. Let c belongs to the open interval 0 to 5 such that f dash of c is equals to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. Therefore, 1 upon 2 in root of c plus 4 is equals to 3 minus 2, 5 minus 0. You will get 1 by 5. Okay. Therefore, 1 upon 2 in root of c plus 4 is equals to 1 by 5. Therefore, after simplification, the cross multiplication करणार. Root of c plus 4 into 1 and हा 5 इकडे numerator लाणार. That is the root of c plus 4 is equals to 5 by 2. Squaring on both sides, you will get c plus 4 is equals to 25 by 4. Therefore, c is equals to, हा 4 इकडे येणार, minus होणार. 4 into 4, 9. 25 minus 9, you will get 16. Okay. 4 into 4, that is 25 minus 16. म्हणजे किती मिळेल? C is equals to 9 by 4, where C belongs to this open interval 0 to 5. And thus, Lagrange mean value theorem is verified. Okay. म्हणजे C हा या ओपन इंटरवल मध्ये आहे आपला. तो किती आहे? तर 4, 9 by 4. लेकिन सॉल्व क्वेश्चन है. Now the next question. Next is integral. That is the next question. Question number 33. Evaluate integral to x square minus 3 upon in bracket x square minus 5 into x square plus 4 dx. Okay. Integration by partial fraction. त्यानुसार है. Let x square is equals to m. Therefore, the given expression becomes 2m minus 3 upon in bracket m minus 5 into m plus 4. A upon m minus 5 plus b upon m plus 4 cross multiplication. या डिनोमिनेटरच्या टर्म्स कट होणार. 2m minus 3 is equals to a in bracket m plus 4 plus b in bracket m minus 5. ओके. आता आपल्याला व्हॅल्यूज फाइंड आउट करायचे आहेत. इफ वी सबस्टिट्यूट b इथे 0 करणार आपण. m is equals to 5. Then you will get 2 into 5 minus 3. a 5 plus 4 9. That is a 9a is equals to 5 into 2 10 minus 3 7. 7 is equals to 9a. Therefore, a is equals to 7 by 9. Next, मध्ये a 0 झाला पाहिजे. We will find out the value of b. Therefore, put m is equals to minus 4. Okay. Therefore, 2 into या expression मध्ये 2 into minus 4 minus 3. Okay. a 0 होणार. b is m is minus 4 टाकण्यात येते. minus 4 and minus 5 minus 9. And therefore, here b into minus 9. इथे किती मिळणार? minus 8, minus 3, minus 11, minus 9b. And overall, you will get here b is equals to 11 upon 9. And therefore, this is the expression. काय मिळालं आपल्याला? 2m minus 3 upon in bracket m minus 5 into m plus 4. The value of a is 7 by 9 upon m minus 5 plus 11 by 9 upon m plus 4. Please substitute the value of m. Then you will get 2x square minus 3 upon x square minus 5 into second bracket x square plus 4. And that's equals to 7 by 9 upon x square minus 5 plus 11 by 9 upon x square plus 4. Now integrating on both sides. दोन्ही साइडला आपण ते इंटिग्रेशन करणार. See this here, the expression. Integrate करणार. Therefore, you will get here 7 by 9 integral of 1 upon x square minus 5 म्हणजे काय? तर root of 5 bracket square dx. 11 by 9 integral 1 upon x square plus 2 bracket square. याचं इंटिग्रल किती? The log of x square minus a square. That is nothing but 1 upon 2a. What is a here? Root of 5. Log of x minus root 5 upon x plus root 5 plus 11 by 5. Again, what about here? The integral dx upon x square plus a square means what? 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a means what? X by 2. A is 2a plus c. Normal simplification इथे करणार. 2 into 9 18. 7 by 18 into root of 5 log of mod of x minus root 5 upon x plus root 5 plus 11 upon 18 tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. And hence this is the answer. Now this is the last question. Integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equals to 0 to f of x dx plus 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. Okay. Now here we will use the property that is integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equals to 0 to a f of x dx plus 0 to a f of 2a minus x. We shall use the following result. If c is in between a and b, then we can write here integral a to b f of x dx कसा लेता है? a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. This is the first property. Second property, we can change the limit. When we change the limit, here must be the negative sign. आपण जेव्हा यांचे डेफिनेट इंटिग्रलचे साइन अपर लिमिट लोअर लिमिट चेंज करतो तिथे साइन चेंज होता है. Therefore, integral a to b f of x dx is equals to minus integral b to a f of x dx. This is the second. And the last is integral a to b f of x dx is equals to integral a to b f of t into dt. This is change in variable property. The first integral, we can write it like this. Integral 0 to a f 0 to 2a f of x dx can be written as, since a lies between 0 to 2a, therefore by using with the help of the expression 1, 0 to 2a f of x dx can be written as 0 to a f of x dx plus a to 2a f of x dx. आता यामध्ये काय, तर पहिला I1 आपल्याला ऑलरेडी मिळालेला आहे. आपण सॉल्व काय करणार, तर I2. नाउ I is equals to I1 plus I2. In I2, put x is equals to 2a minus t. Okay. And therefore, the differentiating dx is equals to minus dt. Limit पण change करणार. When x is equals to a, 2a minus t is equals to a. Therefore, t is equals to a. X is equals to 2a. 2a minus t is equals to 2a. That is, t is equals to 0. Therefore, the integral a to 2a f of x dx is equals to. इथे काय होणार, तर चेंज होणार. And lower limit काय, तर ते lower limit is a and upper limit is 0. X, what is x? X is a 2a minus t. dx is minus dt. Minus sign इथे येणार. Negative sign आपण absorb करणार त्या ठिकाणी. Okay. And therefore, this will become, okay, minus integral a to 0 f of 2a minus t into dt. Next, okay, one more I will write here step. Okay, and that is equals to integral 0 to a f of 2a minus t into dt with the property 2. We can absorb this negative sign आपण इथे absorb करतो. 0 to a f of 2a minus t into dt. And the last change in variable property, integral 0 to a f of 2a minus x into dx. This is the third property. Function तोच आहे, variable फक्त मात्र different आहे. And therefore, this I2 becomes, I2 काय तयार झाला आता, integral 0 to a f of 2a minus x into dx by 3. And hence, we have the result, integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equals to 0 to a f of x dx plus 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. आणि याच प्रकारे आपण या पेपरचं पूर्ण अनालिसिस केलेलं आहे, पूर्ण सोल्युशन या ठिकाणी तयार केलेलं आहे, कम्प्लिटली सॉल्व केलेलं आहे. निश्चितच तुम्हाला याचा फायदा होईल. टेक्स्टबुक मधले सर्व सॉल्ड एक्झाम्पल्स देखील फार इम्पॉर्टंट असतात. ओके, आणि निश्चितच ज्या मुलांनी पेपर दिला असेल त्यांना फायदा होईल, आणि जे पुढच्या वर्षी 12वीला जात असतील त्यांना देखील त्याचा फायदा होईल. ओके.